Receive your email. After purchasing from yabbey.com, look for an email with the subject "Your downloads are ready from Yabbey." Find and open files. Click the Download Now button in the email. Your files will typically be in a zip folder, including patterns for A0, A4, and letter paper sizes. Assembly instructions. Locate the files on your device. On a computer, files are saved in your Downloads folder by default. On a Mac, use Safari and Preview to access files, or Ctrl+Click to choose the browser/viewer. On a phone, navigate to the Browse section of your file manager to locate the zip folder. your paper size. A 4, standard international size. Letter, common in the US and Canada. A 0, large format for professional printers, e.g., at FedEx or Staples. Use Adobe Acrobat Reader to open the file. Select actual size or scale 100% in your print settings to maintain accuracy. Print a test page and use a ruler to confirm the scale. Ensure your printer is Wi-Fi enabled and connected. Adjust paper size and print settings as needed. Lay the printed pages on a flat surface, such as a table or the floor. Trim or fold edges. Remove unnecessary borders by trimming with scissors or folding the edges for alignment. Align and match pages. Arrange the pages so that the notches align correctly to form the full pattern. Join the pages. Use tape or glue to attach the pages together securely, ensuring all notches match up.